there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a raving rabbit. So first we're going to get started with the eye on the left hand side, and we're going to start by drawing in a circle. And then we're going to move across, leaving quite a big gap in the middle, and we're just going to replicate that on the right. On the inner corner of both eyes now, we're going to draw in another circle. And then again, one more time as we move directly in the center. And then we'll just color that one in the center black. Now let's draw in the mouth. So in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then in the middle, just drawing in an arch line from left to right. Now for the head on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to leave a gap coming down on the left, arching this line around, and then in below our mouth. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move down and across on the right. For the ear, stepping over towards the inside, we're going to curve this line around, and then down on the right. And we're going to do the same on the left. So we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down. In the middle of the ear now, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And now starting from the top, we're going to again curve this line around and then down on the bottom. Now let's draw in our arms. So coming over towards the inside, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes down. We're going to curve this line out and then back in for the thumb. Now from here for the hand, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we're going to close this off on a diagonal from the corner, curving this line down and then in, blending that together towards our hand. On the bottom now, another arch line from left to right. Let's close off the leg by arching this line around and then up on both sides. And now in the center, we're just going to draw in a nice big oval. And that is it. That's how you draw a raving rabbit. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.